Well, it's kind of a green grass, not quite floral. It's a little bit of a hop aroma. I mean, that's all there is to it. All right, well, let's see what the taste buds think about that. It's not bad. It's not bad. It is exactly what it says it is. It's a refreshing American-style Pilsner from the 1960s. So, it certainly met expectations. In fact, I think it exceeds expectations. I'm going to give it a 4. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.